If you are learning Salesforce, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for complete tutorials. So my name is Basavaraju and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to discussing about how we can give the read-only access to the user by using profiles. So first we need to understand what is the read-only access. Read-only access means user can view the record, user cannot edit or delete that particular records. This is we call it a read-only access. So then how we can do that? So first we need to click on Get icon, go to setup. First, we will go with one requirement. So currently, I will open my users. In search bar, search users. So in here, you can see the list of users. Currently, I have multiple users. I have one particular user like Anil Kumar. So I will open that. This particular user have the profiles like sales and role is sales executive. My requirement is in my navigation menu, I have a receipts. So this is my receipt object. In that receipt, I have multiple records. I need to disable the edit and delete option for that particular users. Now you can see I log in as sales executive. So now you can see I have a receipt object. I will open any one of the record. So in here you can see I can able to edit this particular record. For example, I can edit all the fields. So in here also I have the edit permissions. And also I can able to delete this particular records. So I need to disable the edit permissions or delete permissions from this user or this profiles. So how to do that? Now I will go to my system admin login. I will open that particular user. In here, you need to select profiles. Click on profiles. It will open sales profile. So in here, you just click on edit button. Once you click on edit, scroll below. You can see there is a custom object permissions. In that, currently for receipt object, I have read access, create access, edit access, delete access. So I need to give only read and create options. So that's why I just disable this both edit and delete options. Then I will click on save. Once I saved, I will go to my user. Again, I will log in as this user. Now I log in as that sales profile. So I will open receipt object, open record. In this record, you can see I don't have any edit and delete button. It will remove that button also. So and also you can see in any field I don't have any edit button. I can only create new record. In here by using this new button, I can create new. I can read. But that sales profile user not able to edit or delete particular records. So that's how you can give the read-only access using profiles in Salesforce. Simple but very powerful for data security. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.